Hey guys, please stand by. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Definitely coming. Here I am. Hello everyone, this is Rika. Last Friday, I have tested myself with the home test kit from the NHS, and I have tested positive with the COVID-19. And now I have been advised to stay indoors, away from people, and isolate myself. Here I am in my bedroom and look very awful. As you can see here, that's my home kit, uh, rapid test, COVID-19 rapid test. As you can see, there's a line forming on letter T, as you can see it now. And now as the fluid or the liquid going up, there's a faint line forming on the letter C, and you will see it in 3, 2, 1. It's a line, another line on letter C. 2 lines means positive, and it's confirmed that I have COVID-19, and that is a confirmed case of being a positive. I am infectious to other people. That's why I have to isolate myself in my bedroom. And it's day 2. It's all still the same. I'm still positive. So I have ordered a PCR kit from the NHS, and it arrived yesterday around nighttime. Around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And now it has arrived, and that's me there. Try to show you what it looks like. In that bag, it has a box that you have to assemble it yourself, and that's the swab for you to use it, and that container which has a liquid on it, and you have to return it back. So I have tested myself and follow this instruction. In every PCR test kit has a instruction. I did follow it and finish doing it, and now I have my specimen ready to send back to the NHS. And also it has an instruction how you're gonna fold this box to put all your put the specimen in. So now this is, I have done it. So this is the box. It has an instruction on it as well, how you fold the box. And this is the protective plastic to put your specimen in. So I will send it back now. So I have put my specimen inside the protective plastic, and now it's ready to put it in the box to return back to the NHS. So I'm putting it there, I'm sealing it, and I will just say bye-bye later on. Here I am putting the security seal, as was been advised that you have to put that in there so it will be safe for transportation. This is the booklet I am telling you about earlier. On this booklet, you have to read the instruction, and it's very straightforward, like you're washing your hand, blow your nose, and then begin with your swabbing your mouth, inside your mouth, by 5 times, and then you do your nose for 10 times in the circles, and then just follow the instruction. It's very straightforward, and also it comes with the instruction how to fold a box, so you can put all the specimen inside, and you have to return it back. This is the Christmas and Sunday. They are picking it up. This one this afternoon, we have fun playing with each other. Me and my friends play online. We talk and we laugh and we had fun. Thanks for your like, share, and pressing the bell button and subscribe to Gina Rica. Thanks everyone.